In his 2013 State of the Union address, President Obama said that 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way we make almost everything. Well, that revolution is already underway in the medical device and drug industries. To date, the FDA has already approved 85 devices that have been manufactured using some part of a 3D printing process. The FDA has even approved a 3D printed drug. 3D printing has the potential to shake up traditional product liability law in three ways. First, it has the potential to change the way in which products get distributed to patients and healthcare providers. Today, traditional drug and device manufacturers make tangible products, finished products that get delivered to the point of care. However, in the future, if 3D printing becomes a reality, we may start to see something called point-of-care manufacture, in which a drug or device manufacturer is in the business not of selling a finished tangible product, but of selling a digital file that can then be used at the point of manufacture to make the finished product that is given to the patient. This has the potential to change product liability law in several significant ways. Because product liability law is based on a traditional distribution system and not a point-of-care manufacturing system. Second, assuming that this point-of-care manufacturing becomes reality in the future, courts are going to need to decide whether the digital files that get sold by device and drug manufacturers are considered, quote, products for purposes of product liability law. Generally, most jurisdictions define a product as something that is tangible, something that you can touch. However, is a digital file a tangible product? Maybe, maybe not. Courts haven't seen this issue yet. So the best that we could do at this point is to draw on some of the case law that has been decided previously and in different contexts to try to give the courts a roadway of what they might do in the future when they're faced with the question of whether a digital file is considered to be a product. And third, product liability law for drug and device manufacturers is greatly affected by FDA regulation. FDA regulations will change the claims and defenses that are available in such litigations. To date, the FDA has issued a draft guidance on the subject of 3D printing. As FDA regulations continue to change and evolve in the future, drug and device manufacturers will have to pay careful attention to the regulatory landscape.